Yes, look at this nice house. This is called the Cooper. J-Man built. $560,000. Let's go have a tour inside. And you come in here. So they have a little different. It raised the floor here, and you got a little office area. Let's have a tour. And there's this person there, and this is the office. We come at home. 560. And what's the square footage for this one?
1780.
1780. And this is looks like a powder room, but it's not a powder room. It's the pantry. And the kitchen is standard kitchen with an island and lots of storage underneath. And over the top range. And the best part of this home is that you get a lot of ceiling height. 564, but it's 20 feet wide. Lovely cozy living room. I really like the height of the ceiling in here. So you probably wonder what it's like in the basement with this setup. I should take you a tour shortly. And this is a mudroom area when you get off from your garage. And that's how you know while you get in. It's living room. And you will look at the kitchen. Let's go have a tour in the basement first. And this basement is costing $50K. I was surprised how expensive it was. However, they come with over 11 feet. Can you feel the height? Over 11 feet. I've never seen 11 feet ceiling. You feel like a commercial building. So it's about 40,000, but there is an option for the wet bar and there's a wine bar as well. So that makes it more expensive. I really like this sellers here. But like I'm in a really nice restaurant, fine dining. And you get also wet bar as well. And this is a net zero home, this particular home. So they come with a bunch of solar panels up there. You can actually make some credit from MX, having the grid in your home. And that is so big. You can put a golf simulator and you can play here if you choose to have a unfinished basement. 11 feet, can't believe it. Let's check out the mechanical room here. So everything is electric here. They don't have a gas. So they have a hot water tank from the electricity, and then they also have a furnace that's also running by electricity. And there's HRV. And oh man, I feel like I'm in my big mechanical room in commercial building. Seriously, I like it. And there's also another storage here. Nice, very good. More storage, not finished, but look at how high it is. And you get a finished bathroom with a $40,000 upgrade package in your basement. 4-piece bathroom. If you have a guest over, maybe a good 4th bedroom. There, they made a setup like a yoga room here. Some music's playing here, and I like how they put them wallpapers around the room. Let's go have a look upstairs. And remember, this is in Glacier Ridge, Northwest Calgary. Let's go have a look upstairs. And this is the powder room. And upstairs. Oh yeah. No bonus room. Oh, that surprised me. Scared me, that was tiger. But still. So another bathroom here. And I think I'm not too sure what's the concept for this bedroom. I see a lot of Feel like a safari closet. Let's go have a look here. Floor. Yeah, you got another bedroom here. Pretty big size. Laundry room. I love it. And this is also linen. And then let's go here. Master bedroom. Not too big, but two other bedroom is a huge compared to other homes that are lane detached house. And this is master suite. Master bathroom. Other cabinet. Oh, too bad not finished with the quartz. It's laminate. So this is it. 1780 square feet, I believe, and 564,000. It's available if you want to bid. It takes about 7 to 8 months. Let me know if you want to buy. You can contact me, Ryansuhrealtor. Thank you. Bye bye.